So another question I get all the time is, what's a balanced door? Well, the reason they're asking this question is probably because they're in the market for a new garage door opener, and they've read that many times on the internet. What is a balanced door? I'm going to show you. Now, a balanced door is going to have the correct springs on it to carry the weight of the door. It should never feel any heavier than 5 to 10 pounds. If the door is heavy, it's actually going to damage the brand new garage door opener you're interested in, which is going to void the warranty. Now, if a garage door has springs on it that are too strong, well, that's just as bad. When you attempt to close the door, what happens is it's so strong it flies right out of your hands. So what's a properly balanced door? Well, a properly balanced door is a door that can hold its weight in 3 positions. About a quarter of the way up, about halfway, and then about 2/3 of the way up. You can see this one's pretty good. If you cannot get your door to balance in these 3 positions, well, chances are what you need to do is replace those springs. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you want to learn more about garage doors and garage door openers, subscribe to the link below. I'm Joe Conti with Precision Door. I'll see you next time.